Hi, it's Pete here from Babipur, and today I'm going to talk to you about safety razors, and in particular the razors we stock from Mühle. I'm going to talk you through the range and just tell you a little bit about them all and why you might choose one over the other. So first of all, why do we love safety razors? We love them because they are plastic free. No disposable razors that you're throwing away. Buy it once, and the only bit you need to change is the blade itself. So much more economical, much less waste, and it's just a no-brainer. Okay, so all these razors have the same head. So they all work in the same way, they just have different handles, with one exception, and that being the companion one. I'll come to that in a second. So first of all, we'll look at the traditional razor. Comes in 3 colours. It's a really good price. These are £34 at the moment. All the same razor, same head, just a different colour. I'll just show you how the heads work. You simply unscrew the base, or the handle, open up the head, so use this side, pop that into place, hold it by the sides, that's the safest way, and screw the handle back on. And you're good to go. What you have then is you've got a weighted handle, and you use the weight of the razor itself to apply the pressure. You have a curve on the head, and you just allow that to come to the right angle to cut the heads. So you're not pressing, you're just allowing the weight of the razor to do the work for you. It also comes in a slightly larger version. Only difference is a heavier handle, just to do with feel and your preference. We have this rather elegant hexagon version. That looks really cool, angled. Comes in a few different colours, that one. And then we have some really beautiful wooden handles. One is the Rightmo. We have the Cosmo and the Vivo. This is a really popular one in the minty green, and I think this is my personal favourite in this plum wood. So all these razors, they all have the same head. That's the important thing to note. It's just a preference on which handle you want. Okay, and then let's have a look at this is the new companion razor. Comes in different handle colours. Simply the cord at the bottom. Now this uses the same razors, same blades, but the head is a slightly different design. And it's designed to be a bit more accessible and feel a bit safer. It has these side blocks that provide a bit more protection at the side. But it's the same blade that goes in. And if you can see, this blade, just a little bit more protection at the sides, gives you a bit more confidence. It's designed as an all-over body razor, and just a little bit more safety. That's the key difference on that one, and it's very pretty. And we've got a few accessories. You can get stands, we've got brushes. This isn't a Mühle product, this is from Lamazuna. This is a solid shaving bar. Definitely a favourite product of ours and lasts for ages. We have, if you have children in the house, this is a good idea. We've got the safety guard, just pop that on. That's going to need an adult to pull that off. Children won't be able to do it, nice and safe. And then we get a lot of questions about this one. This is a little kind of money box, but with no way to get inside. So what do you do with the blades when you finish with them? You pop them in there. This is going to take years and years and years to fill. The blades last for ages. And then one day you need to get all the contents recycled. Blades can be recycled, but you need to check with your local council about the procedure, because obviously there's a safety issue. Another really good tip that I heard was to put the blades in a tin can with a slit, make a hole in the top. Again, when it's full, recycle it responsibly. And yeah, that's the Mühle range at Babipur. We've been stocking these for a few years now. We have one at home. We just have the traditional one. We've had it for about 5 years, still going strong, and the blades, like I said, they last for ages. So yeah, definitely highly recommended, great quality, and they make an amazing gift as well, so go check them out.